Hi, today I talk about the persistent volume and persistent volume client, and we can see how to create the persistent volume and clients and how to attach with the pod running in the Kubernetes cluster. And here I move to the next slide. This slide show the diagram of how the volume and clients work. Administrator can create the persistent volume and user can create the clients. This persistent volume, each persistent volume have the specific requirement, and the user created client also have the requirement. If the clients match between these persistent volume and the client, it will automatically bounded, and after it bound we can attach this client to the pod, and you can see this one client connected to the one persistent volume only, it not connected to the multiple persistent volume. So let's see how to create a configuration file for this volume and clients, how to attach this client to the pod. Now here I move to my Kubernetes console, and here we need create one file for to create the persistent volume. I give the name vi pv.yaml, and let's I move to the Kubernetes documentation. Here I type the command persistent volume, and here I got the results. I click here, and here I scroll down and click this create a persistent volume, and this command helps to create the persistent volume. I copy this and go and paste here. So you can see the API version v1 and a kind is a resource persistent volume, and is a name, labels, storage class name, capacity. Here we can based on requirement we will give this, and access mode or read write once. There are so many access mode here, read only, read write many, read write once. Here I use the read write once, and is the host path. We can change the name, storage name and capacity access modes based on our requirement, but I leave this default. Now I save this file and type this command to create the persistent volume, kubectl apply -f and type the name pv.yaml. Now here you got one response, the persistent volume is created. Type this command kubectl get pv means the short form of the persistent volume. Now you can see our persistent volume is created. That name is task v volume, and is the capacity is 10 GB, and is a read access is a read write only, and the read client policy retain. This means sometimes you can delete this client after connected bounded to that volume. It will automatically create the claims again. So we can enable this policy, and is the available status, storage class name manual, and now we have the persistent volume. Now we create the volume claim. Let's see how to create. I create another file. For that I will give the name pvc.yaml. This means persistent volume claim, and enter and go to documentation and scroll down. So this is the command helps to create the persistent volume claim, API version persistent volume, the resource name claim, and is the name task pv claim. This is storage name manual, read write once. You can see this storage class and access modes are matched. You can see here also the same. So if I deploy this client, it will automatically bound to that volume. So I copy this and paste here, and storage name and access modes are same, so it will easily bounded to that volume. Save this file and then type kubectl apply -f pvc.yaml. Enter. So again type this command pvc.yaml, Now you got response, the present volume is created. Let's check kubectl get pvc. It will show the, now you can see the status is bound. It means it bound to the this present volume. Kubectl describe present volume claim, paste here and type this name of the client, paste here, and you can see name is the task PV client and is status bounded volume. So you can see we don't do any bound here, it will automatically bounded to this volume because this access mode and storage name was matched. Now this is ready. Now we can attach this client to the our pod, then only the pod will access this volume. Let's go to here and scroll down. This is the command helps to create a pod and connect it to that client. Let's see, this is the default command for to create the pod, and then you can see the client name. Here you can attach that. So here I copy this, and type vi, and here I will mention the name pod.yaml, enter, I paste here. So this is okay. The kind name is pod and metadata task pv pod and the volumes is the name, is that we can give the name task pv storage, and here we can match our client. This client we already have, so I matched here, and we can create the container, and the container images is the name of the container. It is the container pod 80. Let's save this file. Enter. Now the file, type this command to apply this file, kubectl apply -f and then enter the file name pod.yaml. Then you can see the pod is created. We'll type this command kubectl get pod. Here you have one pod. The status is the running state. Now I copy this. Status is the container creating state, and type this command kubectl describe pod, then enter the pod name. So you can see this is the pod, is the name of the pod, and is the node where you can place it, and you can see it come to the running state and scroll down. So here you can see the volume. It is a task PV storage, and is a client name. It is matched task PV client. So this is the way to use the volume and attach that client to that volume, then map the client to the pod. Thank you.